This is Science Rhymes. I'm Celia Berrell. Do dolphins kiss? The dolphins swimming in the sea make clicks and squeaks quite frequently. These sounds move fast through liquid's layer compared to noises in the air. Their clicks and squeaks we can't translate, but that's how they communicate. Not all their whistles we can hear. They're pitched too high for human ear. They also send out sounds to mark locations of the sharks at dark by bouncing echoes in the black and timing when they're getting back. Since dolphins have to hold their breath when swimming in the ocean's depth, their voice is not from air that flows. Instead, they've lips inside their nose. Those chatty squeaks and chirpy clicks, those happy whistles, pops and hiss, like sounds of children's playground bliss, are made from just a dolphin's kiss.